and there we go. Hang on. Okay, as you can see, it's kind of done. I think it's alright. I'll just go and let it set for a little while, and I'll just pause it, stop the video, start it up again once I think it's actually completed. Alright. Okay, can't see it very well, but seems to be half alright. Yeah, thread's gone most of the way through, but the most important part is there's thread actually here at the top, so it goes down about halfway. So, considering the fact that it's a hard metal, I reckon it's going to get me out of trouble. Okay, and here we are. Can't totally see it, but there's thread about 90% of the way through this thing, so it works as far as I'm concerned. And I can thread it through from either side, and the thread goes all the way through. And just to show, it's still a bit of a prick to do, so I'm going to use this. And voila! One working bit of thread.